Get ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. The counsel for the petitioners submitted that findings of the consolidation authorities in the judgments in previous proceeding on the issues of facts alone operate as res judicata. Stop. However, the findings that children born to Srimati Ram Pyari, due to her union with Kanahi were illegitimate children and an illegitimate son of a Brahmin was not entitled to inherit the properties of his father are findings on the legal issues. Stop. The previous judgments in this respect is illegal. As such, the judgments in this respect will not operate as res judicata in respect of other properties. Stop. The rule of res judicata is a rule of procedure and cannot supersede the law of the land as held by the Supreme Court in Mathura Prasad Sarju Jaiswal versus Dosi Bai NB Gigi Bai, AIR 1971 SC 2355. Stop. Kanhai was unmarried. As such, the children born to Srimati Ram Pyari, after her becoming widow, with the union of Kanhai, were children of Kanhai under the Hindu law. Stop. Judgments of the consolidation authorities in previous proceedings, holding Jagannath, Amarnath and Rajnath as the illegitimate sons of Kanhi are illegal. Stop para. In order to operate a judgment of previous suit as res judicata, the judgment must be of court of competent jurisdiction and has been heard and finally decided by such court. Stop. Section 44 of the Evidence Act, 1872, permits a party to the suit to show that the previous judgment was delivered by a court not competent to deliver it or was obtained by fraud or collusion. Stop. If a party is able to prove that the previous judgment was not delivered by a court competent to deliver it or was obtained by fraud or collusion, then bar of res judicata will not apply. Stop para. I am satisfied, in agreement with both courts below, that the instant case presents special circumstances such as require the plaintiffs to be permitted to reopen the question of construction decided against them by Walton, Judge, that being a decision which I regard as plainly wrong. Stop para. Supreme Court in Mohan Lal Goenka, Hemant Kumar Bhattacharjee, and Kaling Mining Corporation considered the binding effects of the judgments of previous suit between the parties. Stop. These judgments are not an authority in respect of judgment erroneous in law will operate as res judicata in subsequent suit based upon different cause of action for different property. Stop. The judgments in Mathura Prasad Jaiswal, and Vishwanath Prasad Singh specifically held that previous judgment on the question of law and it relates to the jurisdiction of the court or a decision of the court sanctioning something which is illegal, by resort to the rule of res judicata, a party affected by the decision will not be precluded from challenging the validity of that order on the ground of res judicata, as the rule of procedure cannot supersede the law of the land. Stop. The petitioners in this case state that the previous judgments holding Jagannath, Amarnath and Rajnath as an illegitimate sons of Kanhi are erroneous in law. As such, it will not operate as res judicata in subsequent proceedings. Stop. Thank you.
क्या चाहिए बदले में हमें? बस एक प्यारा सा लाइक। तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार। सब्सक्राइब यार, सभी की मांगे मैं पूरी करता हूँ। मेरी एक ही तो मांग रहती है कि सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को, और जिन्होंने नहीं किया है कर दो यार, हाथ जोड़ के विनती है।